Hi, this is Eric Anderton. In June 1944, the Allies invaded Normandy, France, with the purpose of kicking out Germany. Now, it took years for them to plan that invasion. It required a lot of teamwork, and it was an incredibly complex, difficult, and risky operation. Sounds a lot like a construction company, doesn't it? Now, think about this, though. What's very interesting about that was that despite all of this complexity and difficulty, there was one thing that everyone from the private in a foxhole getting shot at, sweating, bleeding, and dying, to a five-star general back in Britain, there was one thing they all understood, and that was the rally cry. The rally cry for the invasion of Normandy was simple. It was beat Germany. Now, as you are doing your end of the year planning, or if you're planning a project for next year, you need to be absolutely sure that your rally cry is crystal clear. And an effective rally cry is something that is simple. It's something that's understood by everyone involved in the operation, and it's something that is inspiring. So just like that Beat Germany rally cry was crystal clear for every soldier fighting on the Western Front in 1944 and 1945, so you too, as a leader, have to make sure that your plans have a rally cry at the top of them that is crystal clear, so that everyone affected by that plan understands what the end goal is. So make sure, if you're building a project plan or a strategic plan, that your rally cries are very, very clear, very, very simple, and also inspiring. This is Eric Anderton. I hope you found this video helpful.